I invite and welcome our Honorable Director Sir, Dr. Abhinna Bakshi Bhatnagar, our Dean Ma'am, Mr. Dr. Vibha Singh, and all my students here. And as we all know that today we all are here for a pre-placement talk, and I would like to invite Dr. Kailash C. Patnaik sir to throw some light and enlighten our students. Please sir.
I am very happy to see the students of BBA and PGMC. So first of all, I welcome Kailash sir. He is newly joined as a training and placement director, IIMT group of college. Welcome sir. Secondly, the most important thing is that we have started our new session. This session is not only for the pictures or for the record keeping, no. This year we will not work for the pictures and record keeping. We will actually work. So in the computer, you know, input, processing and output, a very basic mechanism. In the same way, when we are talking about B schools or management colleges, input, the admission from 12th grade, processing and output is the placement, how nicely, in which corporate house you placed, or you are going for the higher studies or that. So that is the one of the most important pillar of any B school. What are the parameters when we are ranking after 12th grade? When you just sit on your system and you also decide that, okay, I have to choose that particular B school or a management school. So placement is one of the parameter which is very important for the ranking. There are so many parameters. It's not like a college that I am a graduate, so okay, I got a degree with the A++ like that, or with that percent of CGP or like that. No. We are here working on two main parameters, that is the output. So my dear students, though you are doing graduation, but nowadays if you see the corporate employment figures, you will find out that even the graduates are getting very good packages, especially in the IT industry, especially in the management, especially in the retail sectors, especially in the FMCG. Again, the market is open. So this seminar, I am not taking much of the time, this seminar is very important, and make it clear that how you have to market yourself. If you don't know how to market yourself, you are not able to crack any interview, or you are not able to get the break. So the training department is just like a baking. Once the cake is back, then we used to do icing, and once the icing is done, then we used to say that it's ready. So my dear, there is a process: input, processing and output. So your output is the placement. If IIMT College of Management, the students of BBA and BCA, if we have 100% placement, yes or no? So this year we have a dynamic personality with us, a new director training and placement, no doubt about sirs. So are you ready to work hard? Yes or no? Yes. So getting a good marks with a good placement is our goal. जैसे मोदी जी हर बार एक जुमला देते हैं, एक स्लोगन देते हैं.
Good morning, faculties and director, dean. In fact, we have assembled here keeping one thing in mind. After graduation, what? But if you start thinking about after graduation, what? Only after completion of graduation, probably things will not work out. So how many of you are in the final years? Okay. And rest of the people are in the second year? Okay. So your basic work has already started so far as placement, because since it's a workshop, I will be more in a mode of interactive mode rather than just giving you inputs only. I would also expect inputs from your end. Okay? So, as you said, the session has already started and you are already going through certain kind of PDP programs would have been done as of today. Yes? Yeah, no? Very, very feeble. Is this the response what I am likely to get when the interviewers come? Hello? I am talking to all of you. Is this the response what we are likely to get? Why so feeble? Are you able to hear me? Yes. Then if I am able to speak like this, why can't you? You are likely to get a job, no? So if you behave like this, what exactly you can do? Let me understand that first. Chaliye, let's start. What is that you have learned till now? Come on boys, come on girls, please. This is not the way how you respond. चलिए आप एक बताइए. Kill yourself. Sure? So what is that you have to do? Okay. Can anyone tell me what exactly is required to get yourself placed? Confidence. Yeah. Hello. Hello. ये सब difficult questions है क्या? Then why don't you open up? You want a job? Open up right now. This is the time. Okay? अगर चुपचाप बैठे रहोगे मुंह में दही जमा के कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Don't blame me afterwards. Because I am a taskmaster, I will ask all these questions to you all. That's very clear. Fine? What is the exact process of recruitment? BBA students? Yes? Can you tell me? What is the process of placement? और कोई एक माइक है तो इनको दे दीजिए. Have you ever heard of something called a situational analysis? What is it? Yeah? Anyone else? आपको एक सिचुएशन में डाल दिया जाएगा. आपको you have to come out of it. Okay? I'll give you an example. Talking about BJMC, let us say, I have to interview one person who is not giving me any kind of time, or maybe I am not able to reach out to him. What is that I am likely to do? Yes, experienced people, please speak up. Okay. You have to take an interview of a senior officer who is not providing you any kind of time for the interview. This is the situation I am throwing at you. What exactly you will do to... Okay. How often you barge in when a person is walking? How often you barge in?
It's all up to my communication skills, my convincing skills.
Do you know what is barging in all about? What is barging in? What is barging in? Yes? BJMC. What is barging in? Invariably happens in BJMC. areas. Okay? What is barging in? कभी आप देखे हो कि ऑफिशियल्स जा रहे हैं, इनके पीछे रिपोर्टर्स सर this is what exactly is barging in. But one cryptic sentence from your end may decide कि कल आ जाओ. This could be another way of looking at it. But I am not saying that every time you should keep on coaching people, keep on asking them, मैं आ जाऊँ क्या? People will get irritated. Okay. Similarly, in case of a BBA students, you will be having a lot many situations. कभी आप, how many of you have given some kind of interview till now? अभी तक कोई दिए हैं? या क्या है?
हमेशा एक चांस मिला था कि अपने जो स्किल्स है अपनी बात को कैसे आगे कैरी फॉरवर्ड करना है एंड प्लस दैट कि टू नो अबाउट योर मोर नॉलेज कि हम अपनी नॉलेज को और कैसे इनहेंस करना है उसके बारे में एक्सपीरियंस मिला था.
Which company was this and what was the product?
Sir, it was an Irish company.
Okay.
Whose name as the Olive Learnings.
Okay.
I was working as an instructional designer.
Okay. You can do for us. One. Then, why do you think that you are the best fitment for this particular job? I'm sure that things will improve. ये मत सोचना कि ये पागल के समान हम मिरर के सामने क्या खड़े थे. मैं आपको वो भी तरीका बता दूंगा कि मिरर के सामने आपको क्या बात करना है. ठीक है?
In this, so that whatever sentiment that I want to deliver you, that should not only reach you but hit you also, so that whenever you come next time in this hall, you should pay attention up to the highest level that you supposed to pay. दुनिया में दो सबसे बड़े मूर्ख कौन होते हैं आपको मालूम है? पहला आपके पिता, दूसरा अध्यापक. वो जानते हैं कि सामने वाले को मैं जितना मर्जी समझा लूं वो नहीं समझेगा, लेकिन इसके बावजूद वो समझाते रहते हैं. आपके घर में आपके पिता, अभिभावक आपको रोज समझाते हैं, बेटा पढ़ लो. यहाँ अभी सर आपको समझा रहे थे, मैं आपको समझाता हूँ, और ये जानते हुए भी कि आप बाहर निकल के उस बात को यहीं फेंक के चले जाओगे, कैरी भी नहीं करोगे. इसके बावजूद हम लोग समझाते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हर अध्यापक की, हर माँ बाप की पहली इच्छा ये रहती है कि जहां मैं नहीं पहुंचा हूं मेरी औलाद पहुंचे. ठीक है? लेकिन आप सोचते हो कि इस उम्र में जो मेरे पास ताकत है वो ऐसी ही रहेगी. नहीं, वनवास राम जी के जीवन में भी आया था. 2023-24 लाइफ में दोबारा नहीं आएगी. और अगर इस समय में आपने अपनी सारी एनर्जी अपनी एक पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में इन्वेस्ट कर दी कि I want to get this job, I want to get this skill by hook or by crook, then you will achieve a good job. That piece of paper will not be able to provide me the job. Whatever degree, whatever certificate that you have earned by paying the fees of the college will not provide you the job. It is simply a scrap of paper if it is not backed by you. ये कूड़ा है, अगर आप इसको सत्यापित नहीं कर सकते हो, साबित नहीं कर सकते हो. You must know three things: what to speak, where to speak and when to speak. क्या बोलना है, कब बोलना है, कैसे बोलना है, ये जानना जरूरी है. आप लोग जब भी इस रूम में आओ तो ये मान के आओ कि आपको कुछ नहीं मालूम है, and we should talk in such a way that at least we should know where I am standing and what extra I have to do to get my future job. भाई जॉब तो हर आदमी कर रहा है. यहाँ पर सर आए हैं एज ए डायरेक्टर, मैं आया हूँ एज ए डीन, बाहर एक पियोन भी बैठा है, जॉब वो भी कर रहा है. We all are doing our job, but there are certain differences. लेकिन पैदा करने वाले परमात्मा ने तीनों को धरती पे एक समान ही भेजा था. सिर्फ उनके कर्म ही है जो उनको अलग कर रहे हैं. इंसान और जानवर में एक फर्क होता है. इंसान अपनी गलतियों से सीखता है और जानवर अपनी गलतियां दोहराता है. अब ये आपको निर्धारित करना है कि आप जानवर हैं या इंसान. नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी इसमें आपको आने का मौका मिले, do 5 minute research on what topic we are going to listen. Amount of fees of my student, of my children, how could I buy? मैं कैसे खरीद सकता हूँ, मुझे पैसे देने हैं. तो वो अपने सपनों को, अपनी इच्छाओं को मारता है. उनके लिए रिस्पेक्ट पैदा करो, उनके लिए पढ़ो. बट वॉट एवर यू विल गिव यू विल गेट इन रिटर्न। तुम आसमान के ऊपर थूक के देखो, उल्टा तुम्हारे पास ही आएगा। ग्रहण तो सूरज और चांद को भी लगता है बेटा, हमारी तुम्हारी क्या औकात है, ठीक है। तो ये मत सोचना कि तुम हमेशा ऐसे ही रहोगे, टाइम तो सबका आता है। इस उम्र में आपको अर्थ का अनर्थ करने की बहुत इच्छा रहती है। रहीम कबीर दास जी ने कहा था ना, काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में प्रलय हो जाएगी बहुरी करोगे कब। आप इसका अनर्थ निकालते हो, आज करे सो काल कर, काल करे सो परसों, इतनी जल्दी क्या पड़ी है जब जीना है बरसों। क्लियर? सो टेक द थिंग्स इन ए पॉजिटिव वे, गिव योर थॉट इन ए प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन सो दैट यू कुड get your desired result, and whatever money your parents are investing, they should get something in return whenever they see what I have returned in terms of ROI, in which is spread by them in the 3 years. वो जो 3 साल में फीस जमा की उसके रिटर्न में कुछ मिलेगा ना, ठीक है। हम पैदा ही गंजे नहीं हुए थे, बाल हमारे भी थे। क्लियर? तो टाइम एक ऐसी चीज है बेटा, इट वंस बैक और वंस गॉन, नेवर कम बैक इन एनीबॉडीज लाइफ। भगवान राम के जीवन में भी सीता दोबारा नहीं आई थी। तो ये चीज आपको ध्यान रखना है, सही समय पे लिया गया सही निर्णय ही किस्मत कहलाता है। टेकिंग राइट डिसीजन एट द राइट टाइम इज द डेस्टिनी ओनली।